Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo dual lens camera installation. This is the Hybrid Duo from Tapo. It comes with everything that you need. You see here the bracket, and then comes with the cable, the adapter, anchors and screws, the template, and the quick start guide, okay? And the camera itself, of course. So super simple to install. Let me just show how it works. Here's the bracket. Then you just need to put on a wall like this. You see here 4 holes for the screws, so you put like this. Or you can use the other holes here to install on a ceiling. Then you're gonna just slide the camera here, right? Let me just bring the camera so see how it works. Basically here, there's a way to slide the camera and the camera stays in place. You see here that you just need to put that away and slide it. Let me just move to the other side. There we go. Put it here and slide into place like this. Snap it and you're good to go. Super simple. And as long as you have the camera here on a wall, for example, you just need to move the part here, the top part, to the direction that you want. You see that it rotates here, right? Let's say you want it that way, you just leave it like this. You can also do this up and down here for this lens. And this one you're gonna control using your cell phone. This one is going to rotate horizontally and vertically with the pen and tilt movement. So super simple. Let me just remove this from here. There we go. And you're gonna install the bracket, right? You're gonna use here something to just mark the location, or you can use the template, right? I prefer to use the way you see that I can just grab something like this and mark the location. Let me just use this hole that I already have here and mark the other ones. There we go. And then you just drill the holes. And then you grab the bracket and the cable, you pass it here so you can connect to the camera. Don't forget to do this first before installing the bracket, all right? Because you just need to run the cable here. Just like so. And then you can install it. There we go. Now it's time to connect the camera. You just need to connect the cable and snap the camera into place. Super simple. It's time to connect the camera to the power and do the setup. So here's the adapter. You just need to connect to the end of the cable and connect to an outlet. There we go. Now the camera is ready for the setup. You see here the LEDs flashing green and red. I just need to grab my cell phone, come here to the App Store and look for the Tapo camera app. Here you see TP-Link Tapo, that's the one. I'm gonna open it. The first time that you install the app, you need to create an account and then log in with your account, right? So I come here to the plus signal, add a new device, and look for the camera. It's an outdoor camera. I just come down and look for the camera here. Tapo C246D, that's the one. And then the LEDs are already flashing. So I just need to click here, already flashing, look for the camera. So I just come here to my Wi-Fi signal and look for the camera so it connects directly to the Tapo camera, you see? The idea is that the phone is connected to the camera and then later the phone is gonna give the camera the information to connect to the router. So that's the idea. Connect first to the Tapo camera here. Then you come back to the app and it's going to find the camera, and now it's time to let the camera know which Wi-Fi and password to use, right? That's my router Wi-Fi and password. So I just tap here and I hit next, next again. And now it's connected
to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
You see, it connects to the Wi-Fi. Basically the camera is connecting to the router now. There we go. You just need to name your camera, hit next. Let me just put here office, next. Select an icon, anyone that you want, next. And the camera is good to go, okay? So it's supposed to be working now. Sounds good. And I can just dismiss this. It's a free trial for the cloud storage. Got it. and you just need to insert the SD card to start working, right? So super simple. Got it, and I'm good to go. And here's some information about dual tracking, how the camera basically works. You just need to follow everything here, hit next, and finish the setup. And here's the way you're gonna mount the camera: tabletop mount, wall mount, or ceiling mount. In my case, it's just wall mount. So the camera is going to adjust itself for the correct position. Extra information here, how the camera works, how to mount the camera, the spaces between the camera and the wall and everything else. Hit next. More information here. Just keep hitting next until it finishes. There we go. One more information here. Next, one more time. Some information about the installation. I already did the installation, so I'm good to go. I'm gonna close it here, and I have my camera working and available here on my Tapo app, right? The camera is just right here. And there we go, guys. Basically, that's the way you can install your Tapo dual lens camera. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.